Hi everyone, Jamie Greenberg, celebrity makeup artist, and I am so excited because I am reviewing a collaboration from Pati Dubroff and Beauty Pie. Pati Dubroff is a celebrity makeup artist and is amazing, and I worked for her for a couple years, and now she has this amazing collaboration. So let's get through it. So the first thing is this eyeshadow called Velvet Veil. It's the color Dough, which is like a really nice color. I know this is one of Pati's favorite colors. It's like a taupe that you can put on your eyes that is just really complimentary and looks like, you know, nothing, but definitely gives your eye a lot of dimension. Look at that. Look what that did. It just woke up the whole face, honey, 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 honey. Gorgeous. You can even, you know what? Do yourself a favor and take a little brush like this, which this comes with the Beauty Pie set, and go underneath and just make those eyes look bigger because you're making the shape bigger. Okay, next it gives us this Beauty Pie Brightening Kohl Liner. So I'm going to use the kohl liner right here. So this is going to brighten my eye whites, make my eyes look bigger. Just a little trick of the trade. If you're feeling really tired, just throw a tan color or a light color or this color in that water rim. Okay, so next they have this Sexy Berry Super Cheek, which again is such a Pati color. I love this color. I'm just going to throw it on there. Give it a little, this is a real natural look. So pretty. Love, love. Okay, next it comes with this Uber Volume Boost, which is a velvet mascara, and it is super black. Let's see. Ooh, I like this brush, super bristled. Let's just see how it coats. Builds really nicely. We're just coating the lashes. So you can really get in there. You can just like get to the root, push it in there, and then kind of wiggle back and forth until the tips. And you keep doing this so you can just blend on and then kind of brush through, blend on, and it'll continue to get bigger and thicker. Gorge. Don't forget the bottom lashes.